Here are a couple of tips on how to prepare for your injectables appointment, which include injectable dermal fillers and neuromodulators such as Botox. A. Consider timing your appointments based on when you want your injectables to be in full effect. Even though they are a minimal downtime procedure, you do want to allow yourself a little bit of leeway before a major event. Allow at least 2 weeks after your appointment for your injectables to settle in completely. B. Watch what you consume. 1. Drinking alcohol can thin the blood, making you more prone to bleeding and bruising around the injection sites. It's for this reason that we may advise you to go several days or ideally up to a week before injectables appointments. Alcohol dilates blood vessels, causing them to expand and flow closer to the surface of the skin and be more susceptible to injury. 2. While not strictly forbidden, anything that may cause puffiness in the face, like salty foods, should be avoided for the same period if possible. This way, the doctor can get an unobscured view of your features and make recommendations accordingly. 3. Vet your vitamins and inspect your supplements. If your multivitamin contains vitamin E, you should hold off on taking it until after your procedure. Some supplements, such as fish oil, ginseng, ginkgo biloba, and a few others, can thin your blood. C. Prep your medical history. 1. A history of fever, blisters, sinus issues, or teeth problems matters for something like fillers and may increase the risk of breakout and extension of an infection into the filler, and they're definitely something the doctor needs to know about. There should be no active infections at the time of injecting filler. 2. You need to communicate with the doctor if you're on blood thinners or have taken NSAIDs, which are non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like aspirin or ibuprofen that may interfere with normal blood clotting. D. Cancel your exercise classes. Don't schedule yoga, Pilates, a long run, or a personal training session for the day before or after your filler or neuromodulator to prevent bruising, migration, or shorter or decreased results. E. Take a before selfie of yourself at baseline, scowling, raising your brows, and smiling beforehand so you can really appreciate your results when the Botox kicks in. Sometimes we do forget the degree of wrinkling or even asymmetry that we had before, and it's great to have a comparison point. So do take photos on your phone before the procedure so that you remember what you look like before the injections. Videos are even better. Here is an extra tip. Immediately before your procedure, you should ice for a few minutes and again afterwards, as this will reduce bruising by helping the blood vessels constrict. Icing isn't just for after the procedure. Hope you enjoy your appointment. Have fun.